What's going on, guys? Fun with Knives back again, and you wouldn't believe it, I bought a SOG. I haven't had very good experiences with SOG or SOG in the past. Some of their knives have been fine. Most of them have been pretty lacking, but I kind of bought this on a whim because it was so cheap. This is the Aegis or Aegis FL 8CR13 MOV, all stainless steel construction. I just love their marketing. Sharp blade. That's when you know it's a good knife, as they describe the cutting tool as sharp and rugged, durable. Yeah, that's pretty funny, but obviously I think this is a knife meant for the masses, not necessarily the knife enthusiast, but it was a whopping $15, so let's see if it gets you something good. So let's use this little rat Model 2 here to open this clamshell up. Hopefully not cut myself on camera, because that'd be hilarious. And let's get into this. It's interesting too, this was on Blade HQ, and the other version of this knife, I'll actually pull it up here if I can. Check this out. This is on sale for $14.95. The same knife, but with a flipper, is more than double. It's interesting. So let's get into this one. Give you guys a quick spec rundown. It's pretty beefy. All stainless steel construction. Obviously pretty heavy, but doesn't seem like a bad way to spend $15 so far. So, all right, specs on this guy: 3.4-inch blade. I love that blade shape. It's kind of got that leaf design like a Spyderco. Your cutting edge is 3.4 inches. You kind of maximize that. Your blade steel 8CR13 MOV. That was Kershaw's bread and butter for quite some time, and it's fine. It's a usable steel. It's easy to sharpen, and it's one that I don't mind, working with if it's in this price point. Your handle length here is 4.5 inches, making your overall length just under 8 inches. Your handle thickness is very thin, 0.37, and your blade thickness is thin as well, 0.11. Fully flat ground. Should be a very good cutting tool. Obviously, thumb stud action on this guy. It's pretty snappy. It's good. The detent seems, let's see, not bad. It's firing every time, no complaints there. 5.3 ounces on the weight. It's chunky, but you got a big old frame lock there. Let's test that lock up. Pretty solid. Get some pretty aggressive jimping or scalloping throughout here. You see the lock bar sticks out very far. It's really easy to disengage. Your ergos are pretty good. You get pretty close up onto the base of that edge. That jimping kind of holds you in. There's some jimping along the spine as well. Here's your pocket clip. Obviously, SOG wants you to know what kind of knife you're carrying. That's a decent pocket clip design. The hardware sticks up a little bit, but very deep carry. Kind of weak retention, but not bad. Blacked out at least. It looks like it's a one-position pocket clip. And you got stone wash throughout. I think this knife would look pretty good with some acid wash or something. It's a little bright to look at. But open construction, 2 standoffs. This is pretty crazy to say I'm digging this knife. This seems like Kershaw of old, where there was some gems in the $25 to $40 price point, but this is coming in at $15 from Blade HQ. Solid lockup, decent action. It's pretty beefy, but it seems like it's going to be a pretty good cutting tool. I don't know why these are on sale just about everywhere, but so far I'm a fan. This is one of those knives that might be a good recommendation for your non-knife friend, but at least get them something that's not from a gas station. Centering on mine's a little off, but to be expected. Other than that, QC is not bad. You got rounded chamfered edges other than around the lock bar, which is kind of a signature of budget knives, but nothing sharp. There's no hot spots that I can feel. I mean, $15, not bad. SOG or SOG, whatever you prefer to be called. I'm excited. I might be getting back into the budget knife game a little bit, especially after those QSPs and Ontario Rat. I really am until the budget knife game. But thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think of this one if you have it. They've had the Aegis or the Aegis in so many different models that This one just kind of flew under the radar for me until I saw it on sale. So thanks for watching, guys. And remember, have fun with your knives.